So Propeller is what I tend to think of as a new task management system that's focused on finishing rather than starting. A lot of the existing task management and board systems introduce a lot of customization that I think frankly gets in the way of getting things done. So we've tried to be very opinionated with Propeller in order to focus on, again, stop starting and start finishing, and giving a user a minimum set of options on how they interact with their tasks. They can essentially either do it, defer it, or delete it. Yeah, so when you first join Propeller, you're going to see an empty board. And like any other task board, you're going to create tasks. The one catch is that Propeller is intentionally focused on finishing tasks. So the amount of tasks that you can see and choose from is limited by the amount of tasks that you've completed. So you create a task, you won't see them all, but as you complete tasks and move them to the far right of the board, new tasks will appear for you to complete. If you can't complete a task right now, you should defer it so that new tasks will appear. And if you've decided that you're never going to do that task, you can also delete it. And that's the do it, defer it, delete it formula. Yeah, so Propeller, when you first start it, the default is that your board delivery cadence is 1 day. The real value that I've found from this and others that have used it is that it is a lot easier to answer, can I do this right now, or will I do this today, than will I do this week? There's a whole lot more yeses to that, which crams our board full of things that we will do, but we won't do right now. Yeah, I am a busy dad with a full-time job and also trying to kick off a startup. And so I don't have a lot of time to think about what I'll be doing. And I love that Propeller forces me to ask the question of, can I do this right now? And gives me the option to say no so that I can snooze it and look for the things that I can do right now to move all the aspects of my life forward.